Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add card to your Cash App application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open the Cash App application and then use your PIN or your biometric to log into your account. Once you log in, you will be taken to this homepage where you can type your desired amount and directly request or pay. In order to add card, simply tap on the home button at the bottom left corner and then tap on Add Cash. Just select any amount and tap on the Add button and you might be asked to enter your PIN once again. Now if you haven't linked your card already, this is where you will be asked to enter your card information. Just go ahead and enter your card number followed by the expiration date and the 3-digit CVV number. Finally type in your zip code and then tap on the Link Card button at the bottom, and then your card will be linked to the Cash App application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your card to the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.